The parents just left. Only kids inside. This might be an easy night.
Kids, we won't be back until night. Do not open the door for anyone.
And if there is any problem, call us immediately.
Bye, we will. I'm so happy. Let's go to the kitchen. Me too. I bet I can run faster. No way. I'll race you there. You're on. Let's go. Hi. One large pizza, please. With extra cheese. And pepperoni. Yes. Awesome. Thanks. Bye. It's ordered. Yay. Let's eat.
I think our pizza arrived.
Let's go quickly and get the pizza.
This movie is getting so intense. Yeah, I wonder what's going to happen next. Look, the shadows are moving. Whoa, you're right.
The parents just left. Only kids inside. This might be an easy night.
This pizza tastes amazing. Mom knows our favorite.
I'm glad we're not scared.
We're brave, remember?
Why did the lights flicker?
Probably the rain.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Stay here. I have a bad feeling about this. What was that sound?
Where do they keep the valuables? Jewelry, cash, there must be something he made. I have to be careful.
Someone is inside the house.
What? Are you sure?
I saw the window open. Stay quiet.
They're coming. We have to hide.
In here, quick!
Hurry! They're right behind us.
Got it. We're safe for now.
I'm scared.
It's okay. Stay calm.
What do we do now?
I'm calling the police.
Hello. There's a thief in our house.
Officers are on the way.
Please hurry.
Will the police come on time?
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
I am worried about my children. I don't know what they are doing.
Do not worry, our children are very brave.
If the thief saw us?
I have locked the door. He can't come in.
Why is this door locked?
He's coming inside. Shh, don't make a sound.
I think we should go home now. It's late. The children are home alone.
Yes, it's been a long time, but don't worry about the children. They'll be fine.
open the door? Who is inside? Wait, open the door! Who is inside? Open that door, what?
What will happen now?
Nothing will happen. Everything will be fine.
Police? Already? How is this possible?
Hands up! Step away from the door! You have to surrender.
See? I told you nothing would happen, didn't I?
Thank God. The police saved us. I was very scared.
Children, there is nothing to fear now. We are back.
Come hug my children. My brave children, are you okay?
We were so scared.
We stayed calm. You did the right thing. Children, get up now. Breakfast is ready.
I'm awake, Mom. I'm awake too, Mom. I'll be down in a little while.
Today, Mom made my favorite breakfast.
No, Mom made my favorite breakfast because Mom loves me more.
Okay, dear children. I'm going to the office. We'll have a lot of talk in the evening.
Okay, Dad. Come early in the evening.
And we will be waiting.
Children, you have done a very brave thing by getting the police to catch the thief.
Dad, I learned all this from you.
Why don't we go on a picnic in this joy?
Yay! Catch this! I got it! Mom, Dad, watch this!
Nice throw, buddy.
You're doing great, sweetie.
How did the idea for a picnic come about today?
This was necessary. Otherwise, the children would not be able to forget the incident with the thief.
You are a good father.
You are also good mom.
How happy the children look.
That's why you brought them on a picnic, so they could forget about the incident last night.
Let's enjoy it together, children.